This brief tutorial will explain how you can use keyboard shortcuts to increase the speed at which you review, edit, and mark up your transcribed recording. To view a list of available shortcuts, simply click the pull-up menu at the bottom left of your screen. By hitting the Escape key, you can begin playing your recording. Hitting the Escape key a second time will pause the recording. While either paused or playing, you can hold the Alt-Shift key and click either the right or left arrow to advance or rewind the video in 5-second increments. When editing a transcript, single-click any place within the transcript that you'd like to add text and type it in. By clicking the Enter button where the cursor is, you can split a text block into two sections. To conjoin two text sections, simply click at the beginning of a text block and hit the backspace button. To quickly apply core competencies, markers, or comments using keyboard shortcuts, begin by highlighting the desired text and hitting the Alt-Z buttons to pull up the competency window. Once the window has popped up, you can click Alt to see the associated hotkeys next to each of the core competencies and simply select the number of the competency that you want. When you do this, the associated markers will populate. Again, hit the Alt key and hold it down, and you'll see a list of associated hotkeys to those markers. Type your feedback, and if you hit Enter, you'll space down and be able to continue adding feedback. And when you're finished adding comments, simply hit Control plus Enter to save the comments. In some situations, multiple core competencies will apply to a single behavior. In this case, simply highlight the text of interest. Again, hit Alt plus Z to pull up the menu. And if you hit Alt and M, you can toggle on and off the multi-selection feature. When multi-selection is on, you can select multiple competencies by hitting the associated hotkey for that competency. And then when you're ready, simply hit Alt X to apply. At this point, you now have the associated markers to those competencies. If you hit Alt and hold it down, you'll see a list of all the hotkeys associated to those markers, which you can again apply by hitting the appropriate hotkey. By hitting the same hotkey again twice, you can input the negation or an area for development. This concludes the tutorial for keyboard shortcuts. And as a reminder, you can reach out to us with any questions using the Ask Support pull-up on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Thank you and have a great day.